would amount to compelled speech, a violation of the First Amendment. And the fact that the pageant was a business that engages in commerce wasn't enough to overcome that free speech right, the panel found. Guys, I got to share something with you. Can I share something with you? Me to you. I have not disclosed this. I have not disclosed this. The Minnesota Lawyers Professional Responsibility Board is currently investigating me. This is exclusive to you. They're currently investigating me. They say that my reading the names of the baseless bullshit ethics complaints based on defamation, that impeded and affected the administration of justice, even though they were dismissed without investigation. Somehow, my broadcasting of the names themselves in dismissed actions was impeding the administration of justice. So they've been investigating me. I told them very clearly the ethics complaints against me are unrelated to the practice of law and entirely related to my First Amendment protected activity. And this now also implicates my Sixth Amendment right to confront my accusers. Because I don't know if you guys know this. I think I made it clear in a previous live stream, probably a couple years ago, though. You cannot sue someone even if they lie about what you say to the Lawyers Professional Responsibility Office. They're able to defame you in the worst ways. They're able to lie about what you say. They're able to lie about what you do. They're able to lie about everything and make their claim with no prejudice to the possibility that they're lying. So I told them, I said, that's fucked up, bro. Because if you discipline me, you'll release their names. How can my releasing of their names have anything to do, have a fucking thing to do with their privacy when if you discipline me, their names get released? By the way, if they discipline me, here's how it goes. A complaint is filed. They'll determine to investigate or not investigate. If they don't investigate, they dismiss it. If they investigate, they have to then file a disciplinary action. If they file a disciplinary action, I'm going to hire the most fucking based lawyer on the planet. And I will fucking disclose everything about these people as part of the action. Fuck you. Fuck you, Lawyers Professional Responsibility Office. I will bend you over on the altar of the First Amendment and the Sixth. I have a right to confront my accusers, and you fucking faggots prevent me from filing a lawsuit for defamation based on complaints that they post on Twitter. Oh, you want a fucking Sixth Amendment? They've accused me of shit that's a lie. I will fuck them and I'll fuck you. And I'll fuck you in front of the Supreme Court of the United States, you fucking bitches. Fuck you. You think this law license is worth more than my rights? Fuck you. I will fucking destroy all of you. All of you on the altar of the First Amendment and free fucking speech. And the Sixth Amendment and the right to confront coward fucking accusers who know they're lying to try and harm me, who post their lies on Twitter for the public. I didn't disclose their shit. They did. Fuck them. Fuck them in the mouth. Fuck them everywhere. I'm so goddamn tired of this shit. I didn't give up my First and Sixth Amendment rights because I'm an attorney. I embrace them, and I will ream the shit out of you. I will take you 1983 to federal court, and I will burn you, and I will force you to fucking pay me for what you did. Fuck you. I haven't disclosed it, and I won't. I won't disclose the name of the person who filed a lawsuit against, or who filed this claim against me, because guess what? I don't disclose ongoing matters because I understand my ethical obligation. But when a matter is dismissed, it's fucking done. And the people who filed it can fucking deal with the consequences of lying about me and everybody else. Fuck you. I have a First Amendment right. And I have not violated a single goddamn law of Minnesota or the United States. You want to punish me for speech that isn't violative of law? Fucking try it. I'll take it to the Minnesota Supreme Court. I'll take it to the U.S. Supreme Court. I'll be the motherfucker that secures the right for every online attorney to protect his reputation against fucking troon bullshit every day. Fuck you. These fucking people lied about what I said. They openly lied about what I said. There was a fucking video attached that doesn't say what I said. They know that what they posted was a lie. They know that what they reported was a lie. They know it was a fucking lie. Fuck them. That is actual malice. And I can't sue them, but you bet your ass I can talk about it in public. And fuck them, fuck their names, fuck their addresses, and fuck you if you think I can't do it. I will fucking destroy you on the altar of fucking freedom. And if you disbar me, I'll fucking do it 1,000 times. I dare you to do it. I dare you to do it. Fuck you. I'm so fucking pissed at these people. Free speech doesn't stop when you get a law license. Nothing these people have said about me has anything to do with my practice of law ever. None of it has to do with my law license. It's all entirely related to my First Amendment protected speech. If you want to employ the state to take away my right to speak, I will fucking wreck you. I will wreck you over and over until you fucking like it. Ooh. Fuck these people. Fuck everybody. We get to speak. This is still goddamn America. And I will not fucking cuck to anybody ever. Take it away. I dare you. I dare you to try. I'm so tired of this shit. I'm so fucking tired of this. Imagine you. Here's the thing. Imagine you express your opinion and a government, not Twitter, not Facebook, not an individual, a government comes in and says, I'm sorry, you sacrificed your opinion for a license. I don't use my license. My law license is entirely a financial drain on me. I maintain it at my expense, period. You give me nothing. You've done nothing for me. Your law license, I don't practice. I don't go to court. I don't represent clients. I don't want to. I'm a broadcast personality, but I maintain my license because I worked for it. I worked fucking hard to get that license. That's why I preserve it. That's it. That's the sole reason. I don't need it to do YouTube. I don't need it to do Odyssey. I could put my license in inactive status right now. Say, when I decide to come back to practicing law, I'll reactivate my license. But right now, I really like broadcasting. No, I maintain an active status because I fucking worked for it. I sacrificed time with my family. I sacrificed time with my leisure. I sacrificed time with my hobbies. I sacrificed employment. I did everything to get this license. You want to take it away from me because you lied about what I said about Keffels? You want to take it away? Okay. That's mine. I don't care if I don't play with my toy anymore. You want to take it from me? You better meet a fucking bullet. Because you try to take my shit, I will fuck you up forever. It's mine. I earned it. I worked for it. I got it. You didn't do shit. You want to employ the Professional Responsibility Office against me? I will sue them into the fucking ground if I have to. I mentioned it, but I'm fucking pissed off about it. These fucking dumb communists. Well, someone said that you might release the names and addresses. Yeah, I might. Fuck you. Fuck them too. They lied about me to try and harm me. They posted it on Twitter to try and harm me. Oh, I'm so cool, I filed an ethics complaint. You employed the government to fuck me? Fuck you. You got nothing. You disbar me? I'll release everything. I don't fucking care. I'm so fucking tired of this shit. You won't disbar me, though. You'd admonish me. That's the best thing you're going to do. You're going to admonish me, because if you try to disbar me, you dox all of those people, which I haven't done. I haven't actually done it. But if you try to disbar me, you have to go straight up to the Supreme Court of Minnesota. And then I get to make my First Amendment argument. And in the meanwhile, you dox all those fucking retards. You're in a real problem here. Lawyers Professional Responsibility Office in Minnesota. If you follow through on your threat, you have to fight for it. And guess what? I'm going to come. In your mouth, on your face, wherever it takes. I'm going to come. The First Amendment trumps you. It always has, it always will. You will be forced to dox those people. You will be forced to put their fucking names and addresses into the public sphere on the altar of disciplining me. I haven't actually done it. You going to do it? You're going to do it and then threaten me for promising to do it? It's a good catch-22, isn't it, you fucking weirdos? And when you do it, if you go ahead and disbar me, you know what happens? I'll tell you what happens. Then I have no shackles left. Not a single goddamn one. You're in a weird place, aren't you? You either protect the First Amendment and the Sixth Amendment right to confront your accusers, or you fully validate that lawyers have no First Amendment or Sixth Amendment rights. And if you don't think that's going in my brief to the Supreme Court, it absolutely is. We don't give up constitutional rights to serve the constitutional rights of our clients. And I'm not acting on behalf of a client. I'm just acting on behalf of me. You would never in your life impede my First and Sixth Amendment rights in representation of a client. Pro se representation is still representation. Until I'm represented by someone else, I'm pro se. Fuck you. Try it. Try it. I'll be the landmark fucking case that wins for every attorney on the planet. I will crowdfund the best law firm on the goddamn continent to fuck you, Minnesota. I don't even like your shitty state. Anyway, I haven't talked about this, and I won't talk about the specifics because I do recognize my ethical obligation to not interfere with an ongoing investigation. The names that I read in public twice now, the names that I've read in public twice were not ongoing investigations. They were dismissed complaints. And fuck those people for lying about me. Because if they lied about any one of you, I would say fuck you to them too. And all of us should. All of us should do that. But I'm not going to interfere with the investigation. I've only read the names ever of dismissed complaints. And I wouldn't do anything different. You're going to tell me that interferes with the administration of justice? I'll give you some justice. Open your mouth. I shave my balls. Fuck you. I'm so fucking tired of these people. I'm so fucking tired of these organizations cucking to these people. I will not. I will sacrifice my law license on the altar of the First Amendment every fucking day. You know why? Because I took a goddamn oath. I took a goddamn oath to defend the Constitution. I raised my right hand. I put my left hand on a fucking Bible, proverbially, not really. I raised my right hand in front of the Supreme Court of Minnesota and I said, I promise, I fucking swear, I will defend the Constitution. If my law license needs to go on the altar of the First Amendment, I will sacrifice it like Jacob would put Isaac to the knife. I'll hate every second of it. I worked fucking hard. I paid a lot of money. I spent a lot of time away from my wife and my kids. Time I'll never get back. You think I wouldn't give that up for freedom? You think I wouldn't give that up for liberty? I'll become the biggest fucking liberty advocate on the planet. Like I said, I'll take it to the United States Supreme Court if I have to. I will gladly sacrifice my achievement, my petty achievements on the altar of the First Amendment 10 days out of 10. And guess what? I happen to have made friends with the best First Amendment attorneys on the fucking planet in multiple law firms. And I dare you to find one better. Fuck you. Fuck all of you. communist speech cuck bitches. And I will pay any amount of money necessary, whatever it takes to fight this shit and to win. Because I have made more than enough through my free speech endeavors to fight back against this. And if I'm coming for you, I'm coming hard. All right. My apologies for that. I don't like to get into personal shit, but a little mildly inebriated, and I don't give a fuck anymore about any of this shit.